What is the best way to recover deleted Google search history on an iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing an issue that often troubles many of us: how to recover deleted Google search history on your iPhone. Whether you've accidentally erased it or just need to revisit something you looked up, this guide is here to help.
Understanding Google account's role.
Firstly, it's crucial to know that your Google search history is linked to your Google account, not your device. So, whether you're using an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android device, your search history remains the same as long as you're logged in with the same account.
Is it possible to recover deleted history?
The big question is, can we recover deleted Google search history? The answer is yes, provided the data hasn't been permanently deleted from your Google account. It's worth mentioning that if you've permanently deleted your history, unfortunately, there's no way to recover it.
Recovering Google search history through Google MyActivity.
Here's how you can recover your deleted Google search history via Google's MyActivity feature. 1. Open Safari or any other web browser on your iPhone. 2. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. 3. Navigate to My Account or click on your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. 4. Scroll to the Personal Info and Privacy section and select My Activity. 5. In the My Activity section, you can view and recover your Google search history. So that's it. That's how you can recover your deleted Google search history on an iPhone. Remember, your data is linked to your Google account and not your device. If you've permanently deleted your search history, it's, unfortunately, impossible to retrieve it. Always be mindful of your data and manage your settings accordingly. I hope this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching.